Hi everyone, I'm Giacomo Mastrotto from Progold. I'm the sales project manager for the additive manufacturing division. I deal with customers regarding the additive manufacturing mainly. Progold was born in 1997. Our core business are alloys and master alloys for jewelry, also for the jewelry market, jewelry producer. Then in around 2008 we started the additive manufacturing division. We start introducing the laser powder bed fusion technology in our services that we can provide to the customer. Then we, of course, start to atomize the alloys that we produce to use the powder by ourselves, and now we start selling the powder to our customer. Mainly, we produce precious metal alloys. Of course, for some of them, we need a product that can achieve high temperature, higher temperature than normal gas atomizer. So we decided to go ahead with the AMAZEMET and try the rePOWDER ultrasonic atomizer to reach high temperature and to achieve to produce the powder for high melting point alloys like Platinum Ruthenium, but not only. And at the moment we are very happy with it. The particle size distribution and the quality of the powder is amazing, and I think we will go ahead and keep using this machine in the future to produce our powders.